I want to welcome you all here today. It is truly an honor to be a part of Dillon and Saige's entrance into this amazing adventure of marriage.
It's like running.
In its simplest of terms, marriage is a contract between two people. But as we all know, marriage is so much more than that. It's a promise to each other to be faithful, to be honest, to be kind.
Every season, every
Dillon, from the first day I met you, I knew in my heart that you were going to be my husband one day. You have been my best friend, my rock, my shoulder to cry on, and a loving partner.
Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story.
Saige, the day I met you, I knew you were someone special. I felt that your presence was one that I did not want to live without.
In you, I found someone who supports me, who inspires me, respects and honors me.
Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me.
From the moment I saw you, I knew you were the one. I knew that you and I were two half hearts that needed to become whole.
Thank you for never making me feel like I'm too much and for looking at me with loving eyes even when we all know I'm being extra. Thank you for embracing all the parts that make me, me.
We were both trying to find ourselves, and we found each other. I knew immediately that you were my person. I was sold the first day I met you. The moment we kissed, I felt the massive spark and butterflies that I had been waiting for my whole life.
With love, companionship, friendship, and eternity in our hearts, I promise to stand by your side through all the joys and challenges that life may bring.
That we would have troubles and doubters and people that would be betting against us every step of the way. We would have to be strong and stick together to get through these tough times.
The stars are all watching.
I vow to cherish every moment we share, to support and encourage you in your dreams, and to be your unwavering partner in this beautiful journey of life.
Days have all faded, and there's no more waiting for this.
Whatever we went through, we would have to maintain the level of trust that I have not been used to. But my past mistakes made me a better man for you. And I'm so glad that I messed up before I met you so I could be my best version of myself for you.
Best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the
best. I have you as my forever, and I can't wait to create a lifetime of beautiful memories together. I love you very much, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart.
I promise that I will be there through the good and the bad and the ugly. I will never leave you. I will never test you. I will never play with your heart. I will always be by your side. I will always love you. Thank you for being the person I always needed. I can't wait to start our lives together.
Dillon, Saige, you have committed your lives to one another in front of your loved ones and friends, and by the power vested in me by the state of Maryland, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute pleasure to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Morgan.
Saige and Dill, I'm so lucky to have had the chance to watch our relationship grow and become stronger every single day. I'm so excited to see what the future holds for you both. Always remember that you have a huge support system of family and friends that will always be rooting for you guys.
We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars outside.
And to that, let's cheers to the start of Saige and Dillon's life together as Mr. and Mrs. Morgan!
Feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you.
I just want to say congratulations with you and Saige. Just remember, there's going to be great days, there's going to be crap days, there's going to be meh days, there's going to be days where you're going to rip each other's faces off. Just remember what brought you here tonight, how you got to this point.
Heart beats fast when we're moving slow. Just one touch sends me out of control.
I'll leave this on a high note, no more jokes. So, congratulations Dillon, Saige. So, everyone, cheer for the couple.